Hello everyone, today I'll be doing a quick unboxing of a Nintendo Switch, the Animal Crossing edition, and yeah, I got a case with it, so I'll want to take a look at that as well. Yeah, my first ever Switch, finally decided to get one after years of kind of wanting one. Okay, let's open the box. It's like a special edition since it's less easy to get mixed up. Two Joy-Cons, like a tealish color and a sky bluish color. The Switch itself has the Animal Crossing pattern. I'll take a closer look in a sec. Remove this cardboard, HDMI, I guess the charger, manual, the connecting thing, so you could use your Joy-Con like a regular controller. Yeah, I guess the straps for which are color coded. So yeah, and I guess this is the adapter or the dock, which comes in a nice Animal Crossing style all white, and yeah, these, and this. Okay, let's just open this quickly, and yeah, you can see closely there's like patterns, the Animal Crossing patterns. I guess I could power it on right now, wherever the power button is. Power. Let this power on. Take out the Joy-Cons. And I guess I snap them in. What it says. So I assume there's an Animal Crossing noise there, so maybe that's special to the Switch, but I'm not too sure. English, Americas, accept. Nope, to connect to Wi-Fi. Case, the screen protectors. Not sure which one's for the OLED, because it says comes with an OLED and the regular. I guess it's this one since the OLED screen's a bit bigger. So put that in. I'm not sure if I should get tempered glass or just use this. But yeah. Time zone. Toronto. Connect TV and play on a larger screen later. Detach. use the left stick to select next. Okay, creating user. Well, I guess I'll just quickly unbox this and call it as a video, since it's just a quick unboxing of the Animal Crossing stuff. It's just a regular bag. It's to store the games and other accessories. And yeah, fits nicely. And yeah. So yeah, I guess that's it for this video. Yeah, Joy-Cons, Yi, Animal Crossing, and yeah, just put it in here. Yeah, nice.